Hello all, welcome to Spiritual Atma. This is our first video. Today I have Ashwin joining me. Ashwin is one of my very close buddies, and we have been active in many spiritual activities, including volunteering at Isha and with Sadhguru and things like that. Ashwin is a software engineer. He is originally from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and he is currently living in Phoenix, Arizona. So let's talk to him and try to find out how his spiritual journey was and where he started and things like that. Hello, Ashwin. Welcome.
Hello, hello Ravi. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, sure. So, Ashwin, I know we both are like very good friends, and we've done so many volunteering things with Isha, Sadhguru. So, I want to first know from you, so my viewers would know, how did you start your spiritual journey? What inspired you to start it, and when was it, and things like that. So, if you can little
S-
like,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
I'll be happy to tell
Mm-hmm.
you. So my spiritual journey is like if you take my dad, he's very spiritual and he does meditation, everything. So from my childhood, I've been seeing him.
Okay.
But that didn't influence me in a big thing because I every day in the morning when I go out, I pray and go. So
Mm.
those are the basic things which I got used to it. But when I came to US,
Mm.
uh, life in US is totally different than living in India.
Yeah.
So you go through a lot of stress and everything, a lot of issues and everything. At one point of time, my life was being stuck up saying like nothing is moving. And I'm actually a big fan of actor Rajnikant. So,
Okay.
so I used to see a lot of his videos. So he always tells about spiritual and everything.
Yeah.
So because like a person in his place
Mm.
who is telling, so there is something in spirituality. So when I was searching something like that, that's when I saw Sadhguru.
Mm.
So I very was like very much interested in taking the first program, inner engineering program.
Mm.
I just went in very open-minded to that
Mm.
program.
Mm.
It made a huge difference in myself. That the 5 days program, I just took it wholeheartedly and I concentrated each and everything, and it transformed my life actually.
So when was
So
this? So was it like how many years after you came to US you thought you have to
so it
do this?
yeah, it was. I came to US in 2014,
Mm.
and I took this program at 2018.
Okay.
So it
So basically, if I
yeah.
have to say, you after 4 years, because you had good job and you were like, well established in your career, you basically felt that there was something missing, and you wanted to
Yep.
like find out the real,
Yes.
real answers, and like what's the real.
Yes.
Is that the
Yes.
reason? Did I phrase it right?
Yes. That's the reason. That's the reason. So something was stuck up. So
Mm.
for everyone in their life, right?
Yeah.
At one point they'll get stuck up seeing like nothing is moving in their life.
Yeah.
So, and I feel for myself, the spirituality was the answer for that.
Mm.
So, I'm also a big devotee of Shirdi Sai Baba.
Okay.
So, I see him as my guru.
Mm.
But, but Sadhguru, the way he thinks and everything was totally different. And it really helped me to transform my life. Actually,
Yeah.
even now, I'm so grateful to him. Like
Mm.
the way he tells things, and it's so.
Yeah.
So I had a lot of questions. I attended the program. I got the answer. So
Mm.
simply, so even the second program, the BSP,
Mm.
when I had a chance to meet Sadhguru,
Oh,
that
so
was
you
a
did BSP with Sadhguru itself, right? And
yes,
just
yes.
just
I
for
did
my
it in
viewers, yeah.
the yeah, I did it in the ashram. So I got an opportunity to
In
meet him.
US, basically.
Yeah, in US, yeah,
Mm.
Tennessee.
Mm.
So it was a mind-blowing experience being mentoring the someone sitting over there and giving and the speech what he gives about life and everything. It's
Yeah.
totally it's an experience, and I can't even tell how happy I was at that time. I
Mm.
was in a different world, and even at the end of the program, I was not even like I don't want to come out of that place.
Mm.
because that's like totally that I felt myself over there.
It is
So
funny because, like, for many of Indians, like especially youngsters like us, right? I mean, we are always from our young age. We are always, um, I mean, spirituality is part of our life, but
yes.
but till we actually come to US, we actually do not realize that value.
Yeah, it's so funny. It's
Yeah,
funny. It's realizing it is always the distance makes right. Right
yeah,
now in India, the life is like you live with your parents and everything. But when you
yeah,
come away, then you go in search of something.
yeah,
Like you need something.
yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, when
spirituality
there
was
is
my
nobody
answer.
around you,
Yeah,
when there is no company, then you will feel like something is
something is
missing,
needed.
and yeah,
Yep,
yeah.
yep. That's
That's it.
what
That is so true.
it really transformed me. Like, and I also tell a lot of people. Like, I think when we also did
Mm.
volunteering, got an opportunity.
Yeah,
So whenever I do an inner engineering program, and I tell people to join that program, the reason is uh, it really give you a different aspect of life.
yeah,
So a different aspect of life, and as an youngster
yeah,
in the early stage, if you see something like that, it will completely transform your
yeah.
life around you and everyone.
Mm. Yeah, so I mean, Sadhguru's main, because I also volunteered in Isha Foundation, and I know this pretty well, that Sadhguru's main goal or his intention of inner engineering, or his intention of doing this programs for with students, right? He goes to universities and he does all these programs, that is to encourage youngsters to actually come into spirituality, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
so I want to like ask you, how life transforming has it been, and what would, I mean, if you have to imagine your life without, if you were not in spirituality versus now that you're in spirituality, how so can
So
you
yeah,
maybe try
yeah,
to tell the
yeah,
difference?
sure.
Yeah.
Like yeah. So um, I say the peace of mind. Like
Mm.
uh, when I was stuck up in my life at that time, things were not even moving. Like
Mm.
I just go to job, I come home, and I sit alone, and I didn't have even the roommates, nothing. Like I was
Mm.
sitting alone. It was like I went through a lot of things, like family pressures and
Yeah.
everything. There are a lot of issues going on. So and I even thought about like I did
So
I
you
don't I
didn't
won't
know what is the purpose of life. I mean, what is the
no
meaning of life? Like why? I mean, all those
exactly
like blank
exactly.
things, right?
So
I totally
exactly
hear you.
because
Yeah.
yeah, I came from India. I made a lot of sacrifice and I
Mm.
did a lot of things for my family and everything. But still, I was seeing like how long I'm going to run like this.
Yeah.
What's the purpose and what's and one point of time, I really like I totally broke myself, and that's when
Mm.
I saw this.
Mm.
This inner engineering was that the solution for me. That it really,
Yeah.
but I can't even imagine like if I didn't take that program.
Mm.
I may not even like be happy. That's
Yeah.
um,
But I
the
think
peace of mind and
yeah.
everything.
Yeah, I think that's very commendable of Isha Foundation, that they have like really given a platform for everybody, like all the, I mean, whoever like ha has this need of, I mean,
Yeah,
whatever their need may be, they actually find they are able to do it online, or like, they have now like Isha Foundation is all over the world, so they can basically like everybody can like join spirituality, and it has become much easier, I think,
yeah.
because of
So
that.
what? So one thing which I learned from Sadhguru was
Mm.
life is not complicated.
Yeah,
Life is never complicated. When you think life is complicated, then that means that something you're doing wrong.
yeah,
Life is so easy and take things easy. So this was a simple message.
yeah. That is so
Everyone knows
true.
it. Everyone knows it, but how many people realize it? you
That is
know
so true.
so but when you get an opportunity like from these programs, like to learn certain things which you already know and
Mm.
realize it, they're making you to realize it.
Yeah,
They're not teaching you anything new.
yeah,
They're teaching what you know already,
yeah,
but in a right way. So that's what I learned from that program.
yeah.
That really that really made a huge impact.
Yeah. So, Ashwin, so are you doing this meditation every day, or like how often are you practicing it?
So yeah, this program, like when I attend this program, I just made a mindset saying that I need to do it, spends at least like 30 to 40 minutes every day to
Mm,
do this meditation and whatever practice they are teaching. So because when once you finish this,
mm,
the peace of mind you get is totally you need to experience that,
yeah.
because whatever work you do after that,
Mm,
you'll be 100% concentrated,
yeah.
and you won't like, even if I go to the office, if I have a huge many meetings, a huge pressure, I just it'll be like one of the easy thing, like I
Mm,
handle it very cool, in
yeah.
a very cool manner. So yeah, I do it like in when I started doing it, like after 6 months,
Mm,
I felt a huge difference, and I thought like, why not do it every day, like at any cost.
yeah. That is so cool
So yeah,
because
yeah,
Sadhguru, I mean, in their thing, they say that you do it for 45 days. After that, I mean, depending on how you feel
yep,
or how you
yep,
see the difference, you
yep.
decide to do it or not, right? So, so yeah, I mean, I have met so many people who, like, after 45 days, they know that, oh, this is the thing, I have to do this every day. Like, you know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because it
Because
brings
you
so much
you
peace.
experience it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you experience it.
yeah,
So people say meditation and everything,
yeah,
but when you experience it, some good things happening within you.
yeah,
You don't want to miss it, right? You don't want
yeah.
to miss it. So that's what I experienced even after 6 months.
Mm,
Even now, it's been like almost how many years? 1 or 2 years.
yeah.
Even still, I'm doing it. The reason is I don't want to miss it. It's been part of me.
So what do your close friends or your family members who know you from like before and after?
Yeah,
So what do
yeah.
they say? Like what is the difference they see in you
Yeah, the
from this?
thing is like, see, I'm actually a short-tempered guy,
Mm,
so I get angry very easily, and if
mm,
something pisses me off, like I just like burst it out.
mm,
But my mom, dad, my sister, everyone saw the difference, saying that, oh,
mm,
you are taking the way I see things and take things is totally different.
mm,
So, and people around me is seeing the difference.
mm.
So that's actually influencing them in a
Yeah,
right, how a person can change something like this just by doing meditation, everything. So
yeah,
so that is something. This is a, they say, right, meditation is comes from ancient method.
yeah.
So that's what even Sadhguru says, right?
Mm,
So when you continuously do it, you see the difference and people see the difference.
mm. So it automatically you become positive and people around you also notice the
Yeah.
positivity in you basically.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, so it's so simple, right? Let's say, let's for an example, like a person comes and talk to you angry,
Mm,
and he shouts at you, and when you reply politely,
yeah,
he has no choice to
yeah, yeah,
become calm, right?
yeah. That is true.
So that's, yeah, that's what like this program teaches you.
So, Ashwin, what, what, at this time, what do you think, I mean, spirituality, I mean, where do you see spirituality taking you? Do you want it to take you somewhere, or are you just happy whatever it's doing to you?
I'm just going with the flow, Ravi. Like
Okay.
the thing is, wherever it takes, I don't want to keep like a destination or something.
Mm,
So I'm just going with the flow. Like I always, that's my thing, which I always do.
yeah.
So I just want to the spiritual travel, whatever I'm doing right now.
Mm,
I just want to go with the flow, even if it wants me to go and sit in ashram for lifelong. I'm
mm,
ready to do it.
mm.
So wherever it takes me.
Yeah, but I mean that even to do go sit in ashram, that thought has to come. You have to
Yes,
feel so
yes, yes,
motivated.
yes, yeah.
Yeah, I think it
Yeah,
basically takes a lot of time.
it takes a determination, everything, like
Yeah,
dedication and everything to be do something like
and
that.
willingness
So
mainly, right? I mean, it
yeah,
is willingness
willingness.
also.
Yeah, willingness. Yes, that's true. That's very true. But I haven't thought about something like that
Yeah.
yet, because that's why,
You
like,
are
I
still
keep my
single,
mind.
obviously. I mean, you
Yeah,
have
I'm
some
still
stuff.
single, and
Yeah,
I'm just like going with the flow. Let's, so whatever happens, let it happen.
yeah, that is really nice. Um,
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is, if, I mean, last question I have, if you have to give one suggestion to my viewers, um, I mean, not just like Sadhguru or, I mean, a spiritual suggestion. So
Yes,
what
sure.
would that be?
So for me, like if you ask me like spirituality, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as an Indian, right,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm being born in South India, spirituality is in our blood.
Yeah.
So for certain people, it comes in early stage. Certain people, it comes. But I really want everyone to experience that spirituality because that's when you get the real meaning of your life.
Mm-hmm.
Because for me, like I have my guru, like Shirdi Sai Baba, or even like I got influenced by Rajnikant and everyone, but still going in the right path, right?
Yeah.
So uh, spirituality and everything is like a science, right?
Yeah.
You need something, someone to teach you
Mm.
what is right. So that's where Sadhguru played a major role for me.
Yeah.
And there are many foundations, but you need to find someone who
Mm.
puts you to the right path so that you can experience that pleasure, like the spirituality.
Yeah.
So everyone as a human being, they need to experience the spirituality
Yeah.
because that's when like you need to taste that flavor. That's my I really want all the viewers who are seeing this really want experience that kind of thing, and which can even transform their life, whatever
Mm.
they going through right now.
Yeah.
And small thing is like life is never complicated. It's very easy.
Yeah,
Take it easy. Yeah.
one thing I feel is spirituality basically makes you zoom out your life and
Yep.
see a
Yep.
big picture.
See it from the
Yeah,
big
and
picture.
so that minute issue or that something that is troubling you, you will actually feel it's, I mean, you will get a solution or you will feel maybe it's not even an issue or something.
That's very true. That's very
Yeah.
true. No, as like we both have attended the programs and everything.
Mm.
We have seen and when people like around us, like friends and everyone who experience that right, that gives a huge pleasure for us.
Yeah.
Like saying, "Oh, okay, this is what they did." Like
Yeah.
that's really good.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Ashwin. It was very nice
Yeah.
talking to you.
Thank you.
And thanks
Yeah.
for
Thank
sharing
you,
your
Ravi.
experiences.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Ravi, for giving this opportunity. Thank you.